St. Mungo, is because of your efforts and your hard work and your love for Eswatini, this church, this community, this preschool have clean water now. This will transform the community. Water was not available here, and after months of searching and working, it's complete. We have a solar system with a borehole that supplies water to this ICBC in Sicaweni. So we just want to thank you on behalf of this community and all the souls that this water will be feeding. And because of the water, this spiritual water will flow out of this church. And we just want to thank you very, very much.